I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ice-Spire Grumble in Growth of Giggle RP. This special Christmas morph is a unique reward during the festive season. Unlike many other items, obtaining it is quite straightforward. You'll primarily focus on acquiring the Happy Christmas badge, which unlocks this exclusive character. We'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you add this festive grumble to your collection before the event concludes. The key to getting your Ice-Spire Grumble is the Happy Christmas badge. This is a special, limited-time achievement available only during the game's Christmas event. The best part: you don't need to complete complex quests or collect specific items. Simply logging into Growth of Giggle RP during the active event period will automatically grant you this badge, and with it, your festive Ice-Spire Grumble morph. It's designed to be an easy holiday treat for all players. To ensure you don't miss out, pay close attention to the event's timing. The Christmas event in Growth of Giggle RP usually begins around mid-December and lasts until the end of the year, sometimes extending into early January. Since the Happy Christmas badge and the Ice-Spire Grumble are limited-time rewards, it's crucial to log into the game within this specific window. Mark your calendars and make sure to jump in to claim your unique festive morph. After logging in during the event, confirm your acquisition. First, check your in-game badge collection to ensure you've received the Happy Christmas badge. Immediately after, navigate to your morphs or character selection menu. You should find the Ice-Spire Grumble available for use. This unique character, with its festive design, is now yours to enjoy in your role-playing adventures within Growth of Giggle RP. Have fun with your new holiday edition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.